Today I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Reels. Alright, so we are wanting to create a reel here. So what we need to do is go into our profile, okay? So if you go here and click on what's on your mind, you'll be able to upload a video in vertical format. But if you'd like to create a reel from photographs perhaps, or photographs and a video, put it all together and make a reel on Facebook, you can do this. Profile picture and tap on Reels down over here. So you would be here by default on all. Tap on Reels, and now when you click on Create Reel, it'll allow you to look through your media on your device, and then you can upload media, which will be a mix of video and photograph. Obviously, it would have to be in vertical format, so 9:16 aspect ratio, and then you can go into their editor. I've now gone ahead and uploaded this video. You can now go and click on Edit Reel, where you can actually take parts of this reel. And let's say you just want to take like this section over here, and then you can go ahead and just cut it. All right, we got this little section. This is what it looks like. Whee! All right, so, and now what we can do is we can add audio and text right from here. So if you click on audio, you'll be able to go and look through audio. So you can obviously search, you can look for trending stuff, and I'm going to go just use this top one. That's what it sounds like. Alright, fantastic. You can also add on some text there. Okay, so let's just pause that. And here you can say swinging, and you can change the style as well. You can change this style. You can move it around as well. You can change the color. Okay, and you can actually spell it correctly. That would be lovely. Alright, so that's what it currently looks like. Here you can just say done. So you've got your little reel. Here you can add some effects. So you can see these are the different effects here at the bottom. And let's just say, like, for example, we want that one, or we want like a glitch. Whatever the case may be, you can add stickers as well. And then you can save this reel. Okay, so essentially if you save it, it's going to be saved for offline use. Then you can go ahead and you can click on next. Here you'll be able to add in a title, a description, location. You can share to different groups, share to your story, tag people, add to a playlist, add to Instagram. You can do A/B testing and a bunch of other stuff. Now all you need to do is click on share reel, and this will be live.